Hi everyone, Benjamin Bryant here, welcome back. This video has slight audio issues, so I apologise for that, but I still hope you've enjoyed the tour.
So welcome to the Ocean Villa here at Mövenpick. We're going to show you inside. Amazing villa, awesome view and really cool facilities. So come on through and have a look. Nice big chunky door. The quality here is amazing. There's wood effect tiles, and first of all we're greeted by this glass floor, which is tricky to see, but glass floor there, and you can look straight through down and see all the fishes swimming around. These doors are made of coconut husks. Really nice finish to them. To take you through the bathroom and out to the decking. Access to the lagoon. Down here. Just here is a overwater hammock. There's this huge, lovely black rock pool.
So me jumping in again, I absolutely love the location of this resort. So peaceful, calm, and the views out there are some of the best I've seen in any resort.
And down here are you two sunbeds.
Also the fit out, the furniture, the quality of everything used in this resort really is high end. And you can see that. I love the white decking, that black pool as well. It really is one of my favourites. So a highly recommended resort.
So we've got some beds here, and we'll take you now through to have a look at the bedroom. And here we are inside the bedroom. So you've got a huge big double bed here, which looks straight out for that lagoon view. A nice sofa seating area here to watch TV and enjoy the minibar, coffee, tea making facilities, even a wine cooler here. So everything you could wish for. We'll take you now just into the bathroom to have a look at the shower and the toilet, which actually overlook the lagoon. So you can watch the fishes.
As you've seen, the quality throughout all of the fit out and interior design here really is very high end. The bath, the wood, it's natural, also modern, stylish. These bathrooms here were incredible to take a shower in. Really nice looking over here down into the water. You really can see fish swim by day and night. So yeah, highly recommended resort. Definitely one of my favorites. Food was great. Location is great. And I've sent people here recently and they absolutely loved it as well. So the quality is still high.
We're having really good fun staying here. And if you need any more information, we'll pop it down in the comments and description to this video. Thanks for joining and see you next time.
There's also links below to my website where you can get in touch, make a booking inquiry. I'm a Maldives expert. I've travelled to over 30 resorts now, filmed at them all, shot over 120 luxury villa tours. So I'm a real expert and I would like to help you. Hope you've enjoyed the tour and see you soon.